See, these are the simple example. Let us see some syntaxes. Okay. So if this condition is true, what will happen? This will run all this. It will go for all this, right? Because these all are part of this if. Okay. These all sentences are statements are part of this if. Okay. So if this condition is true, then only inside control will go inside. If this condition is true, then it will come here. Again, it will check it is true, then it will run this one. But if this one is false, then else will run. Okay. Let us see this example. Suppose that I'll make it true. True. Something called outer if, outer else. Okay. Outer if. Outer if and outer inner if. I'll come to that way. This is inner if. Like, suppose that I'm typing here if true, then again if true. And then I'll type here print. So this will be called inner if. And this is part of outer if. So this is outer if, and inside this if another if is there. So I will say this is inner if. Is this clear? Yeah. Randeep, you can ask your question.
No, it's not a question, it's a request. So
Yeah,
can
tell
you
me.
give us, after the class, can you give us like some questions requiring mainly LF? Without LF, we should not be able to do the questions. That way we'll understand better.
Forget about Elif now.
Okay.
Yeah. Forget, think that you don't know Elif, okay? So this is what I'm explaining you currently. Let us focus on this and we'll see some questions using this, okay, today. This scenario, did you understand what I explained you?
Yeah, you explained that if it's true, the thing will print. If it's false, it will go on to the next one.
No, I didn't explain anything about here.
No? Okay.
Janya, did you understand what I spoke here?
Yes, sir. The first if is the outer if,
Yeah.
and the if after that, the other one is the inner if.
Yeah, I understood that, but
This is what I said. That's all. I didn't say anything else. Okay.
oh, okay. Okay, yeah.
Let us understand one by one. Let us not jump to big thing. So what it means, if I am making this one true, this is outer if because this is the first if is outer if, and inside this inside this if means you can say the if block we have another if. So this is called inner if, and this is body of inner if. I'll write here. Second statement of inner if. Print. Second statement of outer if. You got it? If I'll ask you in this This is outer if, okay? How many statements are there inside the if block of outer if? Like, how many statements are there inside of this block, if block? A statement, do you understand? A statement, what is a statement?
Print statement.
Only any one line which will execute and it will give some instruction to your computer. That is a statement in coding. You can say this is a print statement, is one statement. This is another statement. And if is also a statement called if statement. But within
Yeah.
this, we may have again some other statement. But in this if block, we have three statements. A statement one, statement one. It takes time, okay? Initially control a structure, like if you don't, nothing to worry, don't be impatient, okay? It takes time. We'll do this. So we have three statements. You can say inside this if outer if block, we have three statements. First one is a print, another is print, and this is also a statement, if a statement. So total three statement. Now I'll ask you within outer this one, inner if. Within inner if, how many statements are there?
2.
Yeah.
2 statements within inner if and 2 statements within outer if.
Yeah. Inner if, that is inner if. Inside the body of first if.
Yeah. That I understood.
If I'll put one more something here, third statement. Okay. So you understand this situation? Now, if I'll run this is true, then what will happen? This one will print, this one will print, right? And it will check here if it is true. Suppose that this is true, then what are the things we are going to, it is going to print? You guys have to speak here. Rajanya, why you're on mute?
No, sir, my parents are talking. So.
Okay, no problem. Or they are okay talking with you, then fine. Pranavi, what is your case?
There, I'm just like, I'm like, I muted myself so that they could like answer, or else I would be answering everything.
You know, I am asking you, is this clear to you or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tell me what are the things it is going to print in this case, in this scenario? How many statements it is going to, like how many output line will be there?
For me,
Yeah, you can also tell.
5.
Five, okay.
Sorry, sir.
Jania,
2, sir.
why two line? Randeep,
Sir, I think it's 5 because the first 2 print, and if it's true, the first 2 print, and if it's true again, the second 3 will also print, right? So it's 5.
yeah, I can see this is true. This is true. Jania, did you get this?
Yes, sir, yes.
See, this is true, then this two will print. Then again, this is true, then all three.
All
This.
three.
So this
So
one is clear.
true as in like the print statement will be evaluated. Is that what you mean?
Yeah, right. Yes, you're right. So this nested if is very clear, right?
Okay.
No.
Put it there.
Now let
Yeah,
us see
fine.
some example on this. Suppose that maybe I'll check something like this. If you get marks greater than 50 and less than equal to 75, then I can say you are in the first grade. Okay. Just I want to check this only one condition first. In this case, what will happen? Forget about and. That's why I was not trying to bring the and operator, because we should learn nested if first. But you guys use an and also, I covered that one. In this case, what will happen? I'll take a variable like marks equal to 50. I'll check if marks is greater than 50. Then again, I will check marks is less than equal to 75. Then print first grade. So what you see there, na, it should be written like this initially. If you don't know this and is something, then this is the first logic we should learn. What will happen? I'm just assigning some value here. Suppose that this is just input value. Now it will check condition. Is marks greater than 50? Answer is, what is the answer?
True.
Yes, yeah, true. So it means this is true. Because this is true, so it control will come from this line to this line.
Yeah.
Now control came here. Now again it will ask, is marks, if marks is less than or equal to 75, is this true or false?
True.
True.
True. So this will print this one. So this is an example of this one. Very simple
Okay, it's getting
example.
better. Yeah.
You got this?
Yes, sir.
Now let us see some other scenario. I'll say simple thing. Let us understand. Okay, let us not complicate so many things. It is first grade. Otherwise, I can say you are, is the condition. If then print first grade. This was it done. Otherwise, print you are not in first grade. Right? I need to code this one. How would I code? I'll take this one. I can code this one in two ways, but let us learn only one first. Let us take one object. You are,
Okay, yeah, now it's very clear.
yeah, it will be clear because we have jumped yesterday couple of topics. That's why it is causing the issue. That's why I was taking very small step. But anyway, that's fine. In this case, now I'll put some value like 785 and check the condition now. Is this condition true or false? Is this condition true or false? Both of you have to speak. Randeep and Janya, you have doubt.
Yeah, sir. If
Yes,
marks greater than smaller than 50, no,
No, true. I mean, not true.
false.
False.
Check again. Marks is what? 85.
Yeah.
Is 85 more than 50?
Yes, true.
Okay. Both of you are telling false. You're
Oh
not
no,
focusing
true,
here.
true.
Focus
True.
here. Otherwise, again, we have to repeat again. Focus here. This is
Focusing,
true.
sir.
Then what will happen?
We'll
It
go to the
will
next one.
next line. Now it will check marks is less than or equal to 75. The marks is 85, so it will put marks at 85. Is 85 less than or equal to 75? True or false?
False.
False. Then this one will print. Is this example clear to you?
Okay,
Yes,
now
sir.
give me one example, I'll answer. Then give Jenny an example, she'll answer, and then let's end the class.
Is
No,
it?
wait. We need to talk about FLs.
No, we'll
What?
talk tomorrow.
LF.
No, not today. If we cover this LF, forget for a while. We need to practice using this.
That's what he's been
Nested if.
saying.
Yeah.
We have to practice nested if.
Yeah. Whatever I have given you today, 4 cases, this you need to practice. And then this one you need to learn a bit more in better way. Don't jump to the elif as of now. Elif and or operator is not required now.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now I'll give you some other example. Okay. You are doing something there. I can hear from your pen.
Oh, you can hear.
Yeah, I
You
can
shouldn't
hear.
be able to hear.
I can hear.
Can you hear now?
No, not. I don't hear now.
Okay.
Marks is another one. Maybe similarly, you can say like suppose that we have like Gen Z, or maybe let's youth.
Gen Z.
Age is greater than or equal to 18. Is it 18 or 18 plus? No, right? 18 plus. Greater than 18 years. Then print youth. So 18, and then let's see.
You have to have a less than also.
Yeah, let's have, yeah, age is less than equal to 35.
30.
Okay, old people.
Old
So
people,
in this, they will
35.
print youth. Okay, this is the one scenario. This you know. Outward is a very simple scenario which we already explained to you actually. This is the one. You can solve at your end. Then another scenario, second one. Otherwise, print you are not youth.
Okay, sir. Can we write the code for this? Can you give us 2 minutes?
Yes, I can give you.
And then check our code. If we got the code right, good. If not, we have to
And
do
let me
more.
think some other questions. See, leap year questions also you can solve using this. I'll tell you the logic. If year is divisible by 4 and year is, but that will be very difficult as of now. Let us see. No problem. Let us make it simpler. Year is divisible by
It's not divisible by 100, right?
let us have, don't take the leap year. That is complex, like using and or we have to do. I don't want to make it complicated. We'll take some other example.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What you have to do? Length, input, length, and breadth of a rectangle, and calculate diagonal. Check whether if diagonal is equal to square root of 2 multiplied by, no, let us make it easier. Length and breadth of a rectangle, okay? Diagonal thing, I'll check later. Length and breadth of a rectangle, and check whether length is equal to breadth. Then print it is a square. Otherwise, it is print it is not a square.
Okay, sir. Yeah, I think we can conclude the class today.
Yes, very quickly.
I think I got how it works too, so I think we're good.
You are good, Janya. Are you good?
Yes, sir.
Great. Well, let
Why
me
don't you
complete.
try to solve the questions and then
No, you can do this. Input length and breadth of a rectangle and calculate diagonal. If I'll go ahead with that one. As square root 2 multiplied by length. Otherwise, calculate diagonal equal to a square root of length, ln GST of length 2 plus okay. Should I give you more?
No, sir, for nested if I think that's good.
Sir, can you give me something like difficult for me?
Okay, you want something complex?
Yes, sir, if you don't mind.
No, I don't mind. I'll give you, let me
Thank you, sir.
get some question and let me upload into the assignment document, okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, that's better. And should I copy paste this one or you can,
No, I took a screenshot, so it's fine.
is it fine for you, Janya?
Yes, sir. And
But,
I
and
can open the notebook too. So
okay, you can open and let me upload the notebook also. You can help Randeep how we are opening the notebook, okay?
okay, sir.
Okay, then see you. And Pranav, I'll collect some questions for you and I will ping you very soon on the.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. See you guys. Enjoy.
Thank you, sir.